Welcome. I'm glad you're here. At the start of a new day. Let your body find a place to rest, sitting or lying down, however is comfortable. And if you'd like, let your eyes close. Begin with a breath. One slow breath in and out. Feel the body settle, the weight of it, resting where it is. Yesterday, we listened for the quiet beneath the noise. Today, we look for a different kind of space. Not between sounds, but between something happening and how you respond to it. Think of how often a reaction arrives, almost before the moment does. A sharp word, a flash of worry, a reach for the phone. It can feel like there's no room in between. Like the moment and the reaction are the same thing. But they're not. There is a gap. Even if it's small. Even if you've never noticed it before. In that gap is the only place you're ever truly free. Let's practice finding that gap now, gently, with the breath itself. Breathe in and notice the small pause. Right at the top of the breath, before it turns to leave. Breathe out and notice the pause again. Right at the bottom. Before the next breath begins. Those tiny pauses already in you, built into every breath you take. That same kind of pause is available anywhere. Not just in the breath, but before a word, before a reaction, before a choice. You don't have to find a long pause. Even one breath is enough room to choose. Instead of simply react. Let's set an intention for today. Somewhere, something will happen quickly. And pull at you. In that moment, I will remember the gap. One breath. Before I respond. You won't catch every moment. No one does. But each time you remember, you reclaim a little more freedom. Slowly begin to come back. Move your fingers, your toes. Take a fuller breath. And when you're ready, let your eyes open. Today, before you react, there is a gap waiting. Small, quiet. Always there. Have a good day.